You're not confused. You're just afraid of what happens when you stop pretending you are. You know. You always knew. You just wanted permission. So here it is. Fear dresses up as fog. But darling, your path isn't hidden, just heavy with meaning. Your gut knows. I know. You know. Let's go. If your gut clenched and your eye twitched, that wasn't confusion. That was clarity in disguise. You're not confused, babe. You're just stalling so your nervous system doesn't combust from raw potential. Confusion doesn't toast sourdough at 3 a.m. Power does. Power and fear of changing your damn life. If power feels far away, check again. You're the object in the mirror, babe. And you're closer than you appear. Your knowing didn't disappear. You just locked it in a drawer labeled too much. Go get it. If this hits too hard, good, you're ready. Like, subscribe, and join the Eveolution.